China confirms it's building a fourth aircraft carrier, and the tables are turning. Popular mechanics. The balance of naval forces braces for a recalibration with the Dragon's latest ascent. Below are your comments. One thing that China can never match concerning the U.S. Navy, no matter how many nuclear carriers they build, is a century of combat experience in naval warfare. Chinese plan is only good for intimidation and show of force. If and when a bleeping war starts, none of their desktop admirals have ever Whether nuclear carriers make a difference depends on what kind of battles they are going to fight. China's carriers are not going to go beyond the Western Pacific island chains. They are likely to fly GHT in China's front yard for the foreseeable future. Therefore, there is no urgent need for nuclear. 1. They are significantly smaller than American aircraft carriers. 2. They lack the capability of U.S. aircraft carriers. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.